In December of 2023, the Garland Police Never Walk Alone Foundation launched its first decompression room to support the mental and physical well-being of fellow police officers. This amazing room, named the War Room or Wellness and Recovery Room, is an innovative solution to help relieve the stress and pressures that daily occur in the line of duty for public safety officers. The War Room was launched on the one-year anniversary of the death of a fellow officer and comrade, Lieutenant Chris Carker, who died by suicide in 2022. After recognizing the tremendous stress and tension police officers have to face daily, Officer Skylar Kemple masterminded the development of this War Room. It is designed to provide a dedicated space where officers can decompress, recharge, and relieve the intense stress that comes with such a physically exhausting, emotionally draining, and mentally taxing profession. To finance the construction and outfitting of this War Room, the collective group of over 400 Garland police officers banded together in esprit de corps and pooled their resources to fund the project through the Garland Police Never Walk Alone Foundation. Also rallying to support this noble endeavor was a collection of business community sponsors who understand just how indispensably important it is to support the courageous police officers who protect the safety and well-being of our communities. As a result, they have assembled a collection of stress-relieving devices that help promote the health and wellness of the Garland Police Department. Among the therapeutic tools within this War Room is the Luraco medical massage chair. The massage chair was provided as a welcome addition to the War Room through a matching grant from the Luraco Care Chair program. These medical massage chairs have been scientifically tested and proven to produce measurable health benefits for the users through an independent study that was conducted at Weber State University by Dr. Michael Olpin on over 9,000 participants. The study concluded that the health benefits were so profound that if the effects that these medical massage chairs produced could be packaged in pill form and sold as a drug, it would be the best-selling drug on the market for stress relief. More and more frequently, these medical massage devices are the preferred stress relief solution on military bases, in hospitals, emergency dispatch centers, universities, and corporations as well. But there is no need to just take my word for it. Let's hear from police officers who are benefiting from this form of therapeutic massage.
So I'm Officer Christian Gibson, nicknames Tank, for 22 years on the police force. And I am in the patrol, I'm in the traffic division. I was in patrol, and I'm also a former SWAT operator. And the jobs that I do can be stressful just because of not only the things that I have to take care of, but some of the things that I see, and along with my brothers and sisters. And so most of the time trying to decompress from that, or just trying to take it all in after a day and release some of the stresses, sometimes one of the harder things about the job. So the Garland Police Association, along with the Garland Police Never Walk Alone Foundation, got together, and our chief basically made it where we could have a room where we set up things to help officers recover from physical exercise and exertion, but also to get some of that mental relief by doing so, from some of the decompression sleeves we have all the way to the massage chair. And what I've noticed is the officers pretty much, I wouldn't say standing in line for the massage chair, but it is constantly going. And I think the officers are seeing not only is it helping them physically, but you're getting a lot of stress relief from it, which is helping out on the mental aspect of it, just after a long, stressful day, or to begin your day, or maybe some of the stress that comes midday. So maybe on a lunch break, hitting that chair and just kind of chilling out for a little bit. I did a 30-minute session, which turned into another 30-minute session, so a complete hour. I knew the chair was going to help, but I really didn't understand how much the chair was going to help. And I haven't been in a massage chair at basically at the advanced level that the Luraco is. And so kind of a lot of things were going on at once, which I got used to really quickly because how it conditions you at the beginning. But yeah, just relief. Just I felt calmer when I got out, which is a good thing. So just a stress relief, just being calm afterwards.
My name is Skylar Kemple. I've been a police officer for 8 years. I work in the gang unit. I'm a SWAT officer and then also an honor guard. And so as Christian talked about, some of the stresses that you deal with in the job vary based on the part of the department that you work in. And so for me, some of the stresses come from going to officer funerals, but also on a day-to-day basis, when you work in the gang unit, you deal with suspects or offenders that are a little bit more high risk than your typical encounter that you would have on the street. Not that any encounter can't go bad. So there's some stress just dealing with that as well. And then obviously on the SWAT side, it's a high intensity, high adrenaline type situation. So those are some of the stresses that I deal with or that I get introduced to, I guess, through my experience as a police officer. Where we could offer the recovery modalities and benefits, but also maybe address a bigger need within our community, and that's how to deal with the stress. And so the idea with this room and this center was to find a place that we could address both of those in one. And some of that is through the sensory elements in the room, whether it be the lighting, the LED lighting, the music, the focal wall with the moss wall, but also in the modalities that we chose that are inherently going to relax you just by doing them, but they're also going to provide the benefits physiologically as well. So I think overwhelmingly we've had a positive reaction to the room. I think there was some people that were definitely hesitant to start, but every time I go in there, there's people using it. There's a line per se to get in the chair, especially the Luraco chair. That's a big hit. But in general, the room itself, I think has been embraced with open arms, and people are really giving it a try and are really liking it. And so we're getting a lot of positive feedback on it, and so I've been happy with that. I think that was the intended goal, is to continue to grow that vision, but also to help as many of our officers and employees as we can.
So if you are interested in finding out how to create a war room for your organization, or if you want to secure a Luraco medical massage chair for an existing space, contact us today at 1-800-483-9930 or visit our website at luracocares.com for more information about our Care Chair program. We highly recommend all emergency working professionals to give serious consideration to this stress relief solution. If you are a police officer, firefighter, or emergency dispatch worker, we know that you need a therapeutic medical massage. If you are in the military, a first responder, or a medical service provider in any capacity, we know you need it too. Contact us today. Give us a call now at 1-800-483-9930 or visit us at luracocarechair.com so that we can help you get started. Cost is insignificant in comparison to the indispensable value of this service for our emergency workforce. We can even assist with the financing of your project, so give us a call now at 1-800-483-9930 and begin to actively address the stress relief and well-being of the people who care for your own well-being and personal safety.